My vision board currently is all focused on my business and my baby and my retreat center. That's good for me. But is it good for everything that I'm inviting in? When we create at three levels. One is not even good for us. So, examples of that could be you get into an argument for no reason because you're in a bad mood. Now, you've created this scenario which is not even good for you. Or you were already upset and you were driving and then you bumped the car or you scratched the car. You've created a situation for yourself that's not even good for you. When you're doing vision boarding work, that's unlikely because you're in that positive zone. So you're creating from the second space, which is good for me. So my vision board currently is all focused on my business and my baby and my retreat center. That's good for me. But is it good for everything that I'm inviting in? Is it good for the baby? Is it good for the people that would come to the retreat center? I haven't incorporated them in the vision. So the object itself might be good, but if it doesn't encompass a bigger vision, sometimes it's not held correctly. The foundation isn't strong enough for it to be held. So when you do your vision boarding work, you want to think of, if I'm creating this, I'm not in an isolated world. Whatever I create will have so many people and so many things involved in it, and maybe a different land, maybe some pets. What all influences this vision? And how can I encompass them? How can I integrate them so that the vision is more whole? That's what we mean by the highest good of all concerned.